Hi everyone and welcome back to SuperWheels Login. Today, we will see the new Dacia Bigster.
The Dacia Bigster is the brand's latest 5-seater hybrid SUV, designed to offer spaciousness and modern technology, making it ideal for family trips. Opening parenthesis Dacia.gr, engine and performance. The Bigster is the first Renault Group model to feature the new hybrid 155 powertrain. It combines a 107 horsepower 4-cylinder petrol engine, a 50 horsepower main electric motor, a high voltage starter generator, a 1.4 kilowatt-hours to 130 volts battery, an automatic electric gearbox with 4 gears for the petrol engine and 2 for the electric motors. This setup ensures efficient fuel consumption and a smooth driving experience. Interior and space. Dacia claims that the Bigster is the most spacious SUV, comfortably accommodating 5 adults and their luggage. It offers class-leading headroom for both front and rear passengers, generous rear legroom, a 10.1-inch touchscreen as standard, a digital instrument cluster ranging from 7 to 10 inches, depending on the trim level, availability, and pricing. The Dacia Bigster is expected to launch in May 2025. With practicality and efficiency, the Dacia Bigster offers an attractive choice in the mid-size SUV segment. Certainly, here's more detailed information about the Dacia Bigster, dimensions and design. Size. The Bigster measures 4.75 meters in length and 1.71 meters in height, making it larger than competitors like the VW Tiguan. Design philosophy. Dacia aims to offer a spacious and practical SUV with a focus on value for money, targeting consumers seeking affordable yet modern vehicles. Car and Driver.gr. Powertrain options: 1.2 TCE mild hybrid engine, 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. Power output: 140 horsepower. Transmission: 6-speed manual. Performance: 0 to 100 km per hour in 10 seconds. Top speed of 180 km per hour. Fuel efficiency: 5.4 to 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Drive: front-wheel drive. 1.8 hybrid automatic engine, 1.8-liter petrol engine paired with an electric motor. Power output: 156 horsepower. Transmission: 4-speed automatic. Performance: 0 to 100 km per hour in 9.7 seconds. Top speed of 180 km per hour. Fuel efficiency: 4.6 to 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers. Drive: front-wheel drive. Market positioning. Dacia's strategy focuses on offering vehicles with lower production costs, achieved through reduced vehicle weight and manufacturing in Romania. This approach allows the brand to provide affordable options in segments typically dominated by more expensive models. Launch timeline. Order books for the Dacia Bigster are expected to open around the new year, with customer deliveries set to begin during the first half of 2025. The Dacia Bigster represents the brand's entry into the mid-size SUV market, offering a blend of practicality, efficiency, and affordability.
Thanks for tuning into SuperWheels Logan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes and cars. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there is a specific vehicle you'd like us to review next. Until next time, ride safe and we'll see you on the road.